The year is 2040. You walk into your favorite fast food joint, ready to order a double cheeseburger, but instead of beef, your patty is made from crickets. You hesitate, but then you realize, this isn't weird anymore, it's normal. In fact, that juicy, protein-packed cricket burger is cheaper, healthier, and way better for the planet than the old-school cow version. Sounds insane, right? But here's the thing. This future isn't as far off as you think. Governments, food companies, and scientists are already making moves to get insects onto your plate. Today, we're diving deep into the future of edible insects, why it's happening, what's behind it, and whether we should start embracing the bug buffet.
My name is Jean-Yves Coindet. I'm owner of Entomos. We are selling food product made with edible insect. In Switzerland, 3 types of insects are allowed. These are the mealworms, the crickets, and the locust.
First, let's talk about the elephant in the room, or actually, the cow, because our obsession with meat has become a serious problem. Personally, I've been on a plant-based diet for about 7 years now. I know what you may be thinking. Wow, he's so much better than me, and you'd be right. By 2050, there will be 9.7 billion people on Earth. That's a whole lot of mouths to feed, and our current system can't handle it. Right now, livestock farming takes up 77% of all agricultural land, yet only provides 18% of our calories. Not exactly efficient. And if you think that's bad, let's talk about emissions. The meat industry is responsible for 14.5% of global greenhouse gas emissions, more than all cars, planes, and ships combined. Yes, cows are farting us into climate change. So what do we do? Well, some people say the answer is lab-grown meat. Others say plant-based burgers. But there's another option on the table. One that's been around for thousands of years, but is just now getting serious attention. Bugs. Alright, before you gag, hear me out. Because when it comes to nutrition, insects actually crush traditional meat. Let's do a quick head-to-head. 100 grams of beef, 26 grams of protein. 100 grams of crickets, 69 grams of protein. That's nearly 3 times as much. But wait, there's more. Crickets are packed with iron, calcium, and B12. Plus, they have omega-3s, aka the good fats found in fish. And unlike cows, pigs, or chickens, 80% of an insect is edible, compared to just 40% of a cow. Oh, and did I mention they grow ridiculously fast? While a cow takes 18 months to reach slaughter weight, crickets are good to go in just 35 days. And they don't need antibiotics, meaning fewer health risks. Nutritionally, bugs aren't just a solid option. They might be better than traditional meat. Okay, so insects are sustainable, nutritious, and efficient. But are they actually profitable? Oh yeah, and the food industry is paying attention. The global edible insect market was valued at $1.4 billion in 2023. By 2033, it's expected to hit $8 billion. Companies like Yinsect, Aspire Food Group, and Protix are already farming bugs at an industrial scale. And big food corporations? They're not sleeping on this. Nestle, Tyson Foods, and Unilever have all invested in insect protein startups. Even governments are getting involved. The EU approved mealworms for human consumption in 2021, and Singapore has been funding cricket-based food projects. Translation, the people in charge of food, they're betting big on bugs.
Those claws down with your hand. Pinch those claws down with your hand.
Pinch what claws?
Those, the mandibles, squeeze them together.
Yeah, that's it. Pinch those suckers together. Pinch them hard. Bite them, bite them, bite them. Do it. There you go. All right, Lacey, we gotta move fast here. There you go. That's it.
All right, so the industry is ready, but are we? Here's the thing. 2 billion people already eat insects regularly, including in Mexico, Thailand, China, and most of Africa. But in the West, not so much. A survey in the US found that only 27% of Americans were open to trying edible insects. But here's the thing. When insects were ground in flour and used in protein bars or pasta, acceptance jumped to 64%.
Coincidence? I think not!
So maybe the future of insect eating isn't chowing down on fried grasshoppers. It's sneaky integration. Cricket flour in your protein powder, mealworm protein in your energy bars, no legs, no antenna, no problem. Damn, I should trademark that. And honestly, You've probably already eaten bugs. The FDA allows a certain number of insect parts in food. Your peanut butter, chocolate, and canned veggies. Yeah, they've got bug bits in them. By accident, of course. Let me walk you through a few scenarios. Scenario 1. Insects go mainstream. In this world, cricket burgers and mealworm pasta become as normal as tofu and sushi. McDonald's launches a McBug Burger. Whole Foods stocks cricket chips. And Gen Z, with their sustainability mindset, embraces bugs like they did oat milk. This gets a 3 out of 10 on a likely scale. Scenario 2. Insects stay in the shadows. Instead of whole bugs, we see an explosion of invisible insect ingredients. Cricket flour, protein isolates, and even lab-grown bug meat sneak into products without people noticing. Ding, ding, ding. 10 out of 10 in my book. Scenario 3. Bugs flop hard. Currently, the FDA views insects as filth or defects in food, meaning they are not currently considered food ingredients. So let's imagine the FDA doesn't approve for consumption, and the industry never takes off outside niche health stores. Instead, lab-grown meat or synthetic proteins take center stage. 5 out of 10 sounds right for this one. Government roadblocks is something we can always count on. So, will you eat a worm? In all seriousness, the world is changing. Traditional meat is getting expensive, unsustainable, and inefficient. And insects, they are a promising solution. The question isn't really, will we eat insects? It's, do you have a better idea? The point of this video wasn't to get you to eat cricket. In reality, the future will probably be a blend of lab meats, insect proteins, and a premium on non-processed meats. So, what do you think? Would you eat an insect burger? Drop a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss what's next.